My sense lang, no? Ako, there's no problem with that. No? In fact, that's very practical and very economical, considering that isasabay mo lang sa election next year, at considering that if we will go by the yung PCOS machine, whatever, lalagay ka lang naman doon ng portion na yes or no. So, talaga yun. Wala talaga additional cost that you can say. Now, and besides, kami naman in the House, the time frame that we are trying to work on is that we will be able to finish this on third reading before the Lenten break. Alam niyo naman yun na-announce na yun. Now, of course, we will send, because under our rules, we are supposed to process this in the nature of a bill. Process this in the process. Hindi ito it's not a legislative bill. It's just being processed as a bill, meaning it has to go through first, second, third reading. In my sense, papadala to sa Senate. Now, I was asked yesterday, after that, what's going to happen? Then, my sense, ito lang, personal ko, if it is being processed as a bill, then like any other bill, had to wait for a Senate counterpart. And RBH 6, tinitake up na nila. Whether it's the Senate or not, will be able to approve their, before the break, Lenten break. That's another story, because ayaw naman namin pakialaman what will be the timeline of the Senate. We have to, for that to work, I'm just assuming, if both houses of Congress will be able to approve yung by the required votes provided for by the Constitution, then the submission of the approved resolution must be in the hands of the COMELEC, not later, para pumasok doon sa time frame ng May election next year, around November or December this year. Because ang sabi sa Constitution, once the COMELEC received the approved amendment, then it is mandated to schedule a plebiscite not earlier than 60 days nor later than 90 days. So yun, you can work on that. It may come, assuming for the sake of argument that we are able, wishful thinking lang to, that we are able to approve this before the Lenten season. The matter of both of houses of Congress I'm referring to, the matter of submission for plebiscite to the COMELEC, i-adjust na lang to be within that period, because the moment ibigay mo yan sa kanila beyond the 90 days limit nila o 60 days, then mapipilitan ng COMELEC as mandated by the Constitution to have a plebiscite earlier than the election next year. But if you're going to ask me, is it legal, possible, na maisabay to next year? Pwede, and economical at that. So long as magfo-fall dun sa the time frame provided for by the Constitution.